today's bootcamp series, part 3. Despite the mouse pad being a fairly good text editor, I'm used to Geany, which is I think what I'm used to from Puppet Linux, and to install and configure Geany is what we'll go over quickly. So on a terminal, what you want to do is just go ahead and type this, and we'll go ahead and open up another terminal. Here, copy, and then open up another terminal. Copy that over, and what it's telling is to install Geany, and automatically yes. And after that's done, open up Geany, and then exit the terminal. So we'll just go ahead and do that. It should be automatic, and it's installing it now. So now here's the Geany that's open. So I'll just go ahead and enlarge it. I think it's Alt F10. Okay, so and then we won't need this here. So we'll go to View, and then unclick Show Message window. And I don't use symbols. We'll just go to the Documents, and then we'll go to Edit, and then Preferences. And then, generally speaking, I don't. What I'll do is do everything minimally here. So the editor itself, this is 10, but we want it to a little bit larger, especially for presentation. And then symbol list over here, we want to maybe just prefer same. Mono space regular, and then again go to 15, and then go to the toolbar next, append toolbar, images only, small icons, and I'm just going to quickly go through what I do. So, and then I don't need these menus. We want to just over it here. Same with here, same, and just want to save all, and then move that all to the other column, except for color chooser. And we're going to go ahead and close, and then images only, toolbar, and then next we'll go to editor. So you can see that this has significantly shortened, and we go to editor, line wrapping should be ticked, display invert color here, so I prefer darker, and then files, tools. I think the next is key binding, which I prefer to save everything. And when you make a change here, so I prefer primary S, Control S. So we'll just go to Control S, and then OK. And then it has to override because something else is already taken out with Control S. And then next I go to switch to sidebar here quickly with the keyboard. So we'll just go here, and then I'm used to Control Shift S. Okay, and then switch to left document. So when you have multiple documents, you can go left and right, and Control left arrow, Control right arrow, and then apply and all. So now we can edit a file. So we can just go open up now we can open up a terminal, open terminal here, and then we wanna thunar, and then we go to the live. So this is what's in a home partition. And while we're at it, we'll just quickly go through preferences and thunar. I prefer list view, and side panel is okay. I prefer single click, and then open a new tab in a middle click. New instance is a tab, so you'll just add the tab here whenever you open up another window, another thunar. Store on startup, so it keeps the setting when you so if you are in dual pane mode, it'll restart on the dual pane, and everything else is fine. And then we'll just go ahead and start the thunar again, and it's going to have a list, and then Control H will bring in the hidden files. And let's just take a look at the bash RC, for example, here in the geany. So you can see everything pretty clearly, so I don't need to see the numbers. View show line numbers should be unticked. And then what I do need for this presentation is a YouTube file, YouTube txt, which is what I have here. And then now YouTube txt is open, so we're finished with this part, and we quickly quick thunar configuration has been performed to my liking. Now, since YouTube txt is loaded up in geany now, what we'll do is we'll next configure terminal. So to bring up the terminal is left super key, and then just type in terminal, and then here it is. We'll quickly just go ahead and configure. So right click on here and show that menu bar. We'll just use a menu bar for now. So preferences, go here, and then I like my block cursor blinking, so I like that, and automatically copy selection to keyboard, so that allows for you to copy things and paste with a middle mouse click. And the appearance is pretty much everything else is all okay. I've already made the fonts bigger, so for the presentation, and everything else is all okay and close. So now the cursor blinks, and I don't need this here, so I'll just right click on the here, and then show menu bar. I'll just go ahead and unclick it, and you can see there's a lot of many choices here, and you can also get back into preferences. So just on a side note, there is this is XFCE terminal, and there is another with a command of this with a drop down. There's another terminal that will show up, so I'll just show you. So here it is. So I find that also convenient with this particular terminal. So now, since geany is all configured, what I want to do is just go ahead and click here into my folder where YouTube txt is constantly being used. I want to just go ahead and right click on it, and then open with geany now. So you'll open up here. So this is much convenient rather than just using the mouse pad. So now I can just click on it and it just opens up in a geany.